All right, welcome to our helpful hints on Tuesday of our DGP week 6. So, once again, we're back to our same long sentence and we are looking for our sentence parts, okay? So, you are first to find our complete subject. Our complete subject is who or what the sentence is about. The simple subject is just what it's mainly about inside of your subject. So, your simple subject has to be in your subject. Then you're looking for your simple predicate. Your simple predicate is always going to be the verb of your sentence. It comes after your subject, it's in the complete predicate, it's always the verb. Then you tell me if it's transitive or intransitive. Well, transitive is an action, intransitive is not an action. Okay? Then you tell me the complete predicate. The complete predicate is everything after our subject, so the whole rest of the sentence. To find the direct object, this is something new. We did it last week, but what you have to do is you have to add the subject, add the verb, and then ask the question what. So, subject, verb, what, and whatever answers what, that is your direct object. Your prepositional phrase you can only have if you have a preposition. Your preposition is where your prepositional phrase starts and it goes to the very first noun. You can have multiple prepositional phrases in a sentence, okay? And then your object of the preposition is your noun in that prepositional phrase. All right, good luck. You guys have been doing really great on these. I'm super impressed. So if you need help or anything, feel free to reach out.